Last time on Street Scene Review, I did a weld. This is me.
Because you got a hanger on either
right
side.
here.
Push it together enough.
This is not me.
And then you're just by a 2.5-inch clamp.
This guy knows what he's doing. This guy does not. I broke a mechanic. And we put an exhaust on a Dodge Neon. And shit.
No, far from
No. See, this bro knows how you dirty dangle. Right here. Look at that. Woo.
They're gonna put a mirror under it, and if it's chipped, we're gonna lose.
What's up? You wanna go outside? I got you. Here we go. There you go. Yee. Bro, I just let you out. You asked me. Look at him. He's like, bro, I want back in though. I regret my decision immediately. Ooh. All right, but for real, if your exhaust tip isn't shaped like this, are you really living life? Hey, Predator style triangles or flat oblong shape. You be the decider.
Yeah, you care way too much about the quality of your work to work here at Hackett Garage.
Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to pack up your toolbox.
Yeah, you're too good for us, so we're gonna need you to leave.
He said no way, no how.
Hey, you're not supposed to.
Mr. Balloon Hands, that's what I always say. Thank you for watching today's episode. I definitely apologize that we weren't able to get you an episode yesterday. It's been kind of a hectic week for me, but I am going to do my best to get you a video every day from here on out. That was going to be the only fluke, so we're just going to put that as like a bye day, ignore that, and we're going to get you a video every day from here on out. In the meantime, we'll see you on the streets.